Are you guys facing the problem where it says your Coinbase account is under review? Then you guys are at the right video, because by the end of this video, you guys will know how you guys can fix this problem. But before I teach you how we guys can fix this problem of requirements under review, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment right now. If you're facing the problem after account is under review, this is basically Coinbase reviewing your account, because Coinbase is a money-related app. It's crypto, but crypto is related with money. So it's either related with money, alright, so Coinbase is an app which is related with money. So if something suspicious is happening, they're going to review your account. So if your Coinbase account is under review, the only way to fix it is by completing its KYC. By that I mean by completing its verification process. So unless you verify your Coinbase account, your review is not going to be lifted, alright? Because Coinbase wants to know your actual identity, and the only way to know your actual identity is you completing the KYC. So your Coinbase account review actually means Coinbase requesting you to verify your account because there's no other way to fix it. If somebody says go to this website, go to that website or download this app, and it will fix it, then please don't. It's basically them trying to steal your information, right? So the only way to fix it is by verifying your account. How we guys can do that is come to Coinbase, login into your account, click on your profile picture, look and icon, go in setting. Once you go in setting, you want to go on recess account limits, and in account limits you want to click on verify photo ID, and then from over here you can choose a method of verification and verify your account, and your review will be lifted. Alright, that's it guys, gonna remove your account under review on Coinbase. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.